Because the number one mistake, this is the number one mistake any vlogger makes. What's up, influencers? Today we're talking about vlogging. That's right. If you're looking to start a vlog channel, or maybe you just want to start vlogging on the side, first thing I want to mention is there's some misconceptions when it comes to vlogging. Number one, you can just vlog whatever you want and people are going to watch your videos. That is not true. You may see this when you watch other vloggers, famous YouTubers who are vlogging their whole day, whether it's someone really well known like Casey Neistat, or even, you know, my wife who's not as well known but has been vlogging for 10 years. They can vlog their whole day, it seems, and it's interesting. But one thing to always keep in mind, most of these vloggers already had an audience before they started their vlog channel. What you don't want is 5-minute videos that add up to hours and hours and hours of content, because at the end of the day, or whenever you end up editing, you don't want these crazy big files. Because the number one mistake, this is the number one mistake any vlogger makes, is they're just leaving all this content in there because they recorded it, they think it's cool, and it's hurting their video, it's hurting their channel, it's hurting the authority that the algorithm is giving you, so that it's not going to recommend you. So whatever your niche is, and say like going back to Maze Lee, and they have an audience that's looking to observe the dynamics between them as an interracial couple, get right to that point, right? Like talk about that and some of your experiences as a married couple in that special dynamic, and leave out everything else. You don't have to do that forever, just until you get the algorithm understanding what audience to connect you with, and then over time you can kind of relax that. Don't have a long drawn out intro, okay? In fact, all these intros that you see from some vlog channels, like I have friends who are vloggers that have like MTV like vlog introductions. Don't do it. Do not think because you see it on TV and you even see some of these other vlog channels that you should have these long intros. If you're just starting out, nobody cares about that stuff. So one bonus tip is your vlog doesn't have to live on YouTube. It can live on another platform. A great example is Sean Cannell. He vlogs every single day on his Instagram stories. He wasn't the first person to do this either. Desi Perkins is a friend of ours, YouTuber in the beauty world, also has a vlog channel, but she was always picking my brain and asking her and her husband, Stephen Perkins, like, should we start a vlog channel? And I was telling her, she already has one on Snapchat. So that's where she started. Eventually went to Instagram stories. And so like them, Sean does that every single day. And the whole point of the vlog is to connect with people. It doesn't matter what platform. And so the reason I put that out there is because we're talking about how to start and grow a successful vlog on YouTube, but don't discount these other platforms if you're already putting up content. Sean is a great example of this because his main content is on Think Media TV, serving an audience that wants to learn everything about cameras all the way to digital marketing and everything in between. But they might not want to see his lifestyle stuff on Think Media TV. They might not care about it, but whoever does is going to follow him on socials, right? And he's got like 90,000 followers, and that's where they get his vlog content, which is a little bit more personal, and it's about connecting and creating a community. Phones, man, the lenses on these, I have the iPhone 12 Pro, and the stability on this, the lens on this, the technology, the thing that makes a phone stand apart from all other cameras is the power to create content right away. And so I also create content on Instagram, on other platforms, and so I can record to this, and it's stored and ready to go because I have Apple laptops. I can quickly transfer it when Judy wants to edit it. And also I have it all ready for when I want to create content on other platforms. So I have actually gone like for a full week sometimes just vlogging this. Now, I will say this, Judy still prefers me vlogging on the G7X, a Canon, or something nicer like the Sony ZV-1, because the lens is what really matters on those vlog cameras. And even though this is a badass lens, it's nowhere near when you've got a bigger glass. So stay tuned for the next video in this series where I talk about the best practices for vlogging so you can get more views on your videos. I'll see you there.